Bro, I don't have energy for this shit.
Yeah, I don't have.
The stairs. Guys, remember, it's 7th of April 2026. Last day of 3D Studio.
And
We're moving to 3E
Here's your new space.
so guys,
This is nice.
the new space is definitely much more bigger. So guys, this is the end of Anhera. Literally leaving this particular space. But yeah, I've been in here for about 3 to 4 years, I guess. That space is much more bigger and like, yeah.
Oh, Jesus. In a year,
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna be somewhere else. Don't
Come
go
on.
this place.
Come on.
We're gonna make a nice place next year. Yeah! Damn.
There we go.
Good night, everyone. I want you to watch it with him. I waited like he said. So now, but decide where you want it so we can do stuff.
Hi girls! Wow! Creative director! This is crazy! Look at that! Ooh, I never would have thought about that. Nah, that's sick. I ain't gonna lie. What's that in that red?